welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So yeah, let's kickstart this video because we are going to do an unboxing of November's Plouise Black Friday budget box. You may have already seen this, you may have not. I did actually pre-order the December's budget box today, which when you see this it would have been a few days ago. But she's not actually delivering those or posting those for at least another week, I think. But yeah, if you haven't seen the November's Black Friday Plouise box and you'd like to see what's inside, then please stay tuned. I pretty much get these every month. I think I've missed out on two since she's launched them. I just think there's such good value for money. Like, if you don't own a lot of Plouise products, or even if you do own Plouise products, there's always new products in here, but then there's always like had normal stock. And I do tend to get, like, if it comes to paints, I do tend to get the same ones each time. Then I'll just put them into a giveaway or sell them on or things like that. So I think it is worth it, especially if you do like their products like I do. Like, I love her products. I think she is probably one of my favourite brands at the moment, purely because the quality of the products is so good and so versatile. Yeah, once you learn how to use them, they're so easy to use. So in this box, it was quite an exciting one. We actually received loads of products. So in total, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products in here. 4 of these products are brand new. The first one I've got is the Plouise Acid Rain Mitchell paint in the shade Glow Girl. Now this paint I get in every single mystery box. I've probably received this paint about 4 times. Like, let me just show you. So bear in mind, I've already sold one. I've got 1, 2, 3, and then obviously my one. 4 Glow Girls paints. Like, I receive it all the time, so if you see this in a lot of giveaways, then that's why, because I always get this shade, and I've got all of the Acid Rain paints now, so she chucks these ones in quite a lot. But I think they might be discontinuing now, so I don't know if we'll receive them again. I have popped one in my giveaway, then 2 that I'm selling on. So if you want to buy one, then go onto my Depop, I'll link it down below. If not, then, and you want to win one, then enter my giveaway that I posted a couple of days ago, and I'll link that down below for you. So I'll get my one out so then I can show you the shade. So it is a really gorgeous, like, burgundy, pinky colour. I believe this was my first paint that I received, and that's the shade there. So yeah, a really gorgeous pinky shade. And then the second product we received was a base. So this is in the shade Summer Blues. Yeah, I have already got this. So one has gone into my giveaway, and then I'll show you the one that I've already got, which is a really gorgeous, like, baby blue shade. The next thing we've got, which I'm absolutely buzzing about, because if you know me, then you know that I absolutely love lip oils. And we got one of the new Stay Shine and Super Hydrating lip oils. So this is in the shade Glow Stopper. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks so bougie. It feels really good quality, like frosted glass. And I have actually been using this already, and it is amazing. The doe is really peculiar because it's in like a weird shape. I don't know if you can see that on camera. It's just like a foot shape, but it's quite large. She started selling these in those tins with the lip mask. Then another new product we got was the EYEBROW for one of the mini eyebrow pencils. So this is in the shade, well, I got Hazelnut Latte. I think they were different each box. They weren't all the same. I wonder if it's got the spoolie on the end of it. Oh, look at it. It's actually Diddy. No, it hasn't got the spoolie. It's literally just the pencil side. Then the next product we got, which isn't a new one, is a Plouise 121 brush. I absolutely love this brush. It's just a standard fluffy blending brush, like a medium size one. These are super soft. Like, I absolutely adore her brushes. Very glad about that because I've added it into my Plouise brush collection, which, as you can see, they're a little bit dirty. And then, which is really exciting, but we actually received one of her brand new products, which is the Cut Carver. So this is what it looks like. So opening up, this is what the packaging looks like. And if you watched on my videos, if you ever see me do a cut crease, I always remove the shadow on my lid in preparation for the cut crease, and I usually use like eye makeup remover or a bit of Vaseline because I've seen the Plouise girls do it. But this is what it looks like, and a lot of people are saying this is just going to be reformulated Vaseline, like a more expensive version, but it smells incredible. It smells like holidays. I wonder what it feels like. Yeah, it just feels like a really balmy texture. So I'm keen to see how this works. So I will do a video testing this out, and yeah, I'll let you know my thoughts on that. And then last but not least, we also received one of the new Love Tapes palettes, because she released 2 for Black Friday. There was a Going Solo one, which I have got an order and will be here soon, which is the grey one. So I will do a video on that when it arrives. But also I got the Love Affair one, so this was the other one. And I absolutely love the Love Tape palettes. I've got them all. So this is what this palette looks like. So these shades remind me of the shades that are in All I See Is Signs palette. So yeah, really, really beautiful shades. Range of like reds and corals, golds, neutrals, things like that. So yeah, if you want to see a look on this palette, then comment down below and I'll get one up for you. But I'll definitely do one with the Going Solo palette when it does arrive. And yeah, so that's in all of the November's budget box. As soon as I get the Christmas one, then I will do a video on it, but I think that's going to take a few weeks to arrive yet anyway. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you receive this budget box. What do you think of these products? Do you think they're worth the money? And yeah, hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Don't forget that I have a giveaway running up until the 13th of December, which I will link that video down below, where you can win a few Plouise goodies as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in the next video.